Dave here, Wellness and Health Promotion Manager at DCare, and again today we're answering some of your Ask the Expert questions that came into our forum. So one of the things that I'd say to you is, there was 2 or 3 questions and I'm going to answer them all together, all kind of relating to halitosis, bad breath, and also our tongue and our tongue hygiene. So I'm going to answer those into one question. I suppose the first thing is, your oral hygiene is crucial. A lot of things with your mouth, if bad breath is being caused, is generally down to poor or inaccurate oral hygiene. What the correct brushing technique is what we call the adapted bass brushing technique. It's a soft toothbrush. It's placed at a 45-degree angle where you're placing it where the tooth and the gum meet on the gingival margin, and you're using very circular motions and this kind of little flicking technique. Circular motions, 1 to 2 teeth at a time, and this flicking technique. Circular motions and flicking. We're going all the way around the upper and the lower, and we're also going to, we should brush our teeth with a fluoride toothpaste, usually 1450 plus parts per million for over 2s, and twice a day for 2 minutes a day, morning and evening. And make sure with your soft toothbrush you rinse it and brush down the tongue. It's also recommended to floss, in the evening, go down one side of the tooth, straight up the other side. That's our oral hygiene, regular dental attendance, minding our diet and our sugars and our intake. Generally speaking, if you have bad breath or halitosis, it can be caused by, go to your dentist, make your appointment, speak to your dentist about your worries, about, there's a lot of questions that came in there about one question specifically. You're trying to mask it a lot with mouthwashes. Mouthwashes, if you're doing your oral hygiene and doing your bass technique, you're brushing twice a day, you're limiting sugars intake, you're not eating too late at bedtime, generally speaking, you shouldn't have bad breath caused by poor oral hygiene. When we wake up in the mornings, our bodies wind down at night, we're sleeping, we can get serostoma, dry mouth, and often we can wake up with morning breath. Again, usually when we have a drink of water, brush our teeth, get the system going, get something into our stomachs, that doesn't, it kind of goes away. What I would say to you, sometimes you can have things like, speak to your dentist, because it can be things like a nasal drip or a sinus drip that can be causing that. Sometimes it can be problems in the tummy, Helicobacter pylori, different bacteria that can also cause it. So my best advice to you would be, go to your dentist, have a checkup and speak to them, because if it is oral hygiene, it's easily solved, but maybe there might be an underlying kind of a condition that they can also investigate for you, that they can get that sorted. Thanks.